Okay, so for now we will explain imbalance, and we'll explain efficient price action, EPA, and inefficient price action, IPA. Okay, so for imbalance always, I use imbalance slide set if you have candle slide set, and imbalance stop here. So from here to that one, that's all imbalance you have. So what you can do, I always look for 50% from here to here. That's my level of trade. But because that type of trading is not high probability for us, I don't look for that one as a setup for me. I always look for liquidity or BY. But if I don't have one of them, I have that one, I will wait at least till price give me some liquidity here, like equal highs, equal lows, or like fade BOS for downside like MSU. Okay, so price can give you that fade BOS for downside like that. So for now, you will wait till price towards inducement liquidity. Iteration, you have real BOS now, that's an MSU. But if I don't have any type of liquidity below that level of trading here, I will don't use that one because it's not a built one for me. But if you have, if you are bearish, okay, strong momentum for downside, and you have like ACLTU here, but you have 50% of imbalance here. So what you can do, use 50% because that one here is far from that one here. That one is the nearest. And when you are with the trend, always price try to look for the nearest liquidity, nearest imbalance, nearest IBA, and continue with the trend. Okay. So if I don't have any liquidity for 50%, I will look for another level here like SLQ. I will not use that one. Always look for liquidity for any level, any type of trading, uh, level of liquidity, BUI, ABA, IBA, imbalance. Look for some build up before the liquidity here. So if you look at imbalance here, as you can see something like that. So you have imbalance from here, from that low to that low. You have from that high, from that one to that one here. Because imbalance in the here. Don't have any imbalance after that. So below 50%, you look for buy. But as you can see, because you don't have any build up liquidity here above the level, so that level will be nothing for me. I need good liquidity like that above the level like that, and I will look for buy from here. But because we don't have any level of liquidity here above the level, I will wait for another level of training like I let you here or S let you here. Find another example. Same thing here. If you use that one, imbalance start from where? As you can see, imbalance start from here and the end here. So if you look from here to here, that's imbalance 2. From that low to that low, that's imbalance 2. From that low to that high, that's imbalance 2. So you have two level of imbalance here. You have from that one to that one, and you have from that one here to that one here. Always choose the nearest, which is that one to that one, like that. As you can see, price give you some liquidity here, give you a reaction from here. Same thing. If you use imbalance, you have level here from that one to that one. So if you use imbalance from here, like that, till here, your 50% will be here, like that. Okay, so as you can see, from here you can look for buy because you have liquidity here. Okay, you have liquidity like that. But because we have ILTU here, so I can't use that one. So that 50% of imbalance, it can work, but it's not a strong one for us. It's not a strong one for us. It's not like liquidity. So if you have imbalance like that and you have level of liquidity, what you should do, liquidity is stronger than imbalance. So always look for liquidity. So if you don't have liquidity like that ILTU here, okay, so you don't have any solution for now, you will just use 50% of imbalance. But if you have like liquidity like that, so care about liquidity, don't care about imbalance. Everyone understands that? Okay. After that, we have IBA and DBA. It's very easy. So always when price try to give you efficient price action, you have that give you that high, that low, then that high, then once price come back, that's your first IBA. That's your first level of efficient price action. Price do up again. That's your second level here. It's like break and test concept. Same thing here. That's your IBA like that. So when price give you that efficient price action here, efficient price action means the price don't have any reason to go down like that to continue going up because the price for me is efficient. So when you are efficient, that means you will just follow the recent price action you have. But if price give you something like that low, that high, no efficient price action here, then efficient price action. So what you have now, you have a reason now to go down here. All this is just to build up liquidity. So you have a reason now to go down till here and go up. If you have level of higher time frame here, you can look for sell. But if you don't have any level, you can wait for just for MSU like that and look for sell. Okay, because you have a reason now to go down because you have inefficient price action here, price need to fill, you have liquidity, so you can go down till here. But if you have efficient price action like that, you don't have any reason to go down like that. No, you will just follow the recent and go up. Follow the recent or take ILTU like that, go up, something like that. But you don't need any reason to go down like that because you are efficient. And that's a big problem for most of traders here. Sometimes you have high, bit efficient here, then high, bit efficient, give you equal lows like that. And a lot of people look for something below that and go up. But price sometimes will not do that. Just price will continue follow the recent price action because you are efficient. When you are efficient here, so anything here will be protected. You don't have any reason to do down like that because you are efficient. So if you are not efficient, if price didn't review that move like that, build some liquidity here. So you have a reason now to go down. Yes, I will explain also that. I will explain that also. So for late cycle, it's always, yes, you can use it as a level of liquidity. So that's liquidity now, that's IBA. So let's review on examples. So as you can see, we have that one. You have that EVA from here. and also you still have that one. And because we still have some efficient price action, price come back again. So all this one here will be just to build up liquidity. We know that when we have something on higher time frame, all this will be your target now because you still have efficient price action. You still have an efficient price action here you need to fill. But if everything here is efficient, okay, so you don't have any reason to go up like that. But because we have an efficient price action here, price come back, build the efficient price action and continue going down. Same thing here. Look, efficient here, efficient here, efficient here. Everything here is efficient. So as you can see, all this liquidity will be protected. All these things here will be protected till price to something on high time frame and reverse. But if you look for buy, you will not wait till price to these equal lows because you are in efficient price action. Everything here is efficient. Okay, so you don't have any reason to go down like that to take a buy. No, just you will follow the recent. As you can see, price give you the BOS for upside, another BOS, I let you buy. So I let you here is a MSU BOS. You have MSU BOI here. You will look for buy. Okay. After that, once price took higher time frame on something on higher time frame, price now will reverse because you have efficient price action, and for now price found higher time frame level, and for now we can trade against the trend. To fill something on higher time frame like that, you can fill, yes, something like that, EBA, a BBE here. So once price found higher time frame level of trading, price reverse now to fill the efficient price action here. After that, price will go up again. Everyone understands that? Same thing here. If you look at here, you have efficient, price fills it efficient here, but you still have that one. You still have that one here. You still have that one here. So you still have inefficient price action, a lot of inefficient price action here. Will go up. If it's efficient, continue going down. So for now, we know that all these things will be liquidity. So you can look for a time frame level of trading and go up. As you can see, just price tot SLTU here, SLTU here, continue going up, fill efficient and going down. If you look at that lead here, that's your low, that's your high, that's your ILTU, that's your SLTU. And look for some reversals. Same thing here. Efficient price action. So you don't have any reason to take that one as liquidity because we have PY here, something like that. No, that's wrong. You will just follow the recent efficient price action here. That's efficient, so that one is protected. You look for buying from here from that efficient. After that, you have that efficient price action here. And as you can see, you still have that one not efficient. So all this will be liquidity. So you know that if you have any sell, that sell will be just a small position, not a swing one, because we still have some efficient price action you need to fill. So once price took something on a time frame like that, price reverse to the recent efficient and go down. Same thing here, efficient here, efficient here, efficient here. Price for now tot ILTU like that, ACTU and reverse from that lead here. Yes, that's all for ILTU, ACTU. If I understand that right. Okay, so for now we still have lead cycle, we still have SMT. So lead cycle is very easy. We always have 3 steps. We have build up, we have inducement, we have maturation. So what's the meaning of that? Build up always can be channel or can be trend line, can be equal lows, can be equal highs, can be in retail pattern like that, triangle here or wedge, any pattern of build up liquidity. Once price taught any level of liquidity here from the left, price will reverse like that. Let's say we have level of liquidity here, I let you or something like that. Taught and if that's the inducement, that's the reverse, the mitigation. Same thing here. Let's say we have level of liquidity here, inducement, mitigation. Same thing. Level of liquidity here, inducement, mitigation. Let's find some examples. As you can see, we have something like that. Build up liquidity here. Once price towards this SLQ here, it's a BY, reverse. Same thing here. Build up liquidity like that. Price taught that inducement fills the EBA, reverse. Build up inducement mitigation. Same thing here. Build up like that. Price taught that SLQ, I let you here, sorry. Here, build up liquidity like that. Price taught that I let you, reverse. So build up inducement mitigation. Same thing here. You have the equalize like that. Price fill EBA here, reverse. Same thing here. We have that build up but to the in the future. Same thing here. You have the equalize like that. Price took that transaction liquidity, reverse. And also we have something from the left, yes, you have that external sweep. So that can be a level of liquidity mitigation. Everyone understands that? Same thing here. Equal highs, fill EBA, reverse. Build up, inducement, mitigation. Any question till now? Okay, it's all clear for everyone here. Okay. So let's move now to Smart My Trap. So Smart My Trap, you will find a lot of Smart My Traps. Okay, so if I explain Smart My Trap, trust me, every day you will find a new one. So I don't have the whole knowledge for Smart My Trap because sometimes you will find every day new type of smart money. So all you need is to understand the logic of smart money, and every day you will find different one. So the logic for smart money trap is very easy. If you are a SMC trader, they always look for every BOS like that. That's smart money trap for us. Smart money trap here, external. Okay, that can be the external also from here. That can be smart money trap. That can be smart money trap. But the most important one for us is that one, the recent one here, because always they look for the recent BOS, look for sell, and when they lose here, they just change their courses and start to find something profitable like that. They call them in advanced SMC. If you have that high, then that low, then that high, then they will do the same thing, but always they will look for some liquidity like that from here. But that's also an SMT because we know that high here is ILTU. So if you have liquidity, something like that, 100% that will be ILTU. Okay, so for SMC, just if you want to find smart my trap, just think like SMC trader and do the opposite. Like that, if you like MSU, you have fair BOS for downside, so they will look for sell from here. But we know that's MSU. Once price towards that high, we will look for sell from here. Like if we have that high here, SLQ, okay, and price do something like that. So that's the liquidity. So everyone will look for sell from that SLQ. But we know that's SLQ for us. We will look for sell from here. Yes, I will buy into the SMT. If I have SMT like that, always there are two type of SMC traders. They are always direct entry. They are always confirmation entry. For us, for me, I just don't care if I have SMT. I don't care about that one. I just imagine that I don't have anything here, and I will trade the normal way. I will wait till price to ILTU like that or SLTU and continue going up. Okay, because it's nothing for you. You can mark them just to know the price will trap these people here. Okay, but when I have SMT, I will just trade my normal way, wait for ILTU or SLTU here, and continue buying like that. If you that's an SMT, as you can see here, we know that one here will be ILTU. So I will just continue buying to take that SMT. If you do to 1 minute, what you will do, you will just wait till price give you ILTU or SLTU and you will continue going up. As you can see, that's my high here, that's my high here, that's my high here. Okay, same thing, that's my high. As you can see, price took that ILTU here, took that SLTU, took that external. Okay, so price took all this liquidity from here, give me an entry, and I will look for buy. Same thing, that's 1 minute. You can refine the BOI like them. They always try to refine the BOI. You can refine the BOI like them here, here, like that, or here. Yes. So just once price total liquidity from here or here, I will look for entry and continue going up. After that, price towards the SMT. So they will look for sell again because they sent from here, they sent from here that price will reverse price total liquidity. But no, we know that ILQ is above is here. Okay, so we will look for buy again. Yes. So you will look for buy again. Price will take that liquidity from here. Okay, I will look for buy. First wind, buy again. So first buy here, second buy here. So would you wait? Would you buy into the SMT or just wait? No, I will buy into the SMT. I just imagine that I don't have any SMT. And if price doesn't give a reaction, it become a trap, right? No, it's a trap. Anyway, it's a trap here. Okay, anyway, it's a trap. So if price give you a reaction, if not, we don't care. Okay, because just imagine that you don't have anything here. You just mark them to know that you will not sell from here or you will just continue buying. Okay, so if price give you a reaction from them, if the price towards that high, you will just continue buy. So here, if you go to 15 minute again, same thing here. Let's talk about that one. That's an SMT. So it's nothing for us. So you will continue look for buy. You will continue look for buy as you can see if you go to 3 minute. What price did as you can see price dot ILTU, price dot SLTU, continue buying. It's nothing. just it gives them a reaction for downside. So why price try to give you a reaction from SMT? Because price always try to get the confirmation entry traders, because always there are SMT traders wait for confirmation entry because they don't lose money. So price will give them the confirmation entry but reverse. So that one here will be the confirmation entry. They will look for sell again here. That's again SMT. That's their BOI to look for sell. So price can give them some reaction for downside, but after that reverse. After that price thought that's your high here. I let you can look for buy. No, in that scenario I will just in scenario I don't care about BOI for now. I will just wait till price give me I let you or SLQ sweep, look for entry, look for buy. If you have any BOI below them, that one or that one, you can look for buy from them, from this BOI. But always the most important thing for you is the liquidity. So after that, so we explain structure now, we explain liquidity or single liquidity, and we explain IBA, EBA imbalance. And for now, I will explain last thing, BOI. BOI is very easy. Always look for, I have three type of BOI. I have the ammeted width, and I have the hidden base. That can be a BOI. And I have the normal order block. Bullish candelier, bearish candelier. That's an order block for you. So for a breaker, I always don't use breaker. I use IBA instead of breaker. I use IBA like that instead of breaker. So you can use breaker, but for me, I don't like trading the breakers. I always trade IBA, this type of BI hidden base, ammeted width, and normal order block here. So as you can see, that's a normal order block for you. From here. So why I choose that one like that? Because as you can see, that's the engulfing candle. That engulfing candle engulf all these candles here. So all that is the BY. Because as you can see, price close below that low was one candle. That's engulfing candle. So all that will be a BY for you. You can find it like that. That one here is outside the BY. So that's your SLQ. Try to find it like that. But the main BY is from here to here. Same thing. And that's in here. And that's engulfing candle. Engulf all these BY here. Same thing. That's a normal order block. Okay. I choose the candle because we don't have an engulfing candle here. Here you have engulfing candle. Engulf all these candles here. So you can choose that one as a BY. You can define it like that. You can define it below SLQ like that. Same thing here, we don't have any engulfing candle inside that order block, so you can choose that one here. And same thing here, you don't have any engulfing candle after that bullish candle here, so you can choose that one here like that. That's SLQ. Same thing, that's order block here. That's order block here. Okay, that's EBA. Look for EBA. That's EBA too. And also that's EBA. from here if you look for buy. And also inside that EBA you have hidden base. Same thing here, you have arbitrate wick, that's a BY. And also from here, that's a BY for you, auto block. Same thing here, that's involving candle, that involving candle involve all these candles from here. So that's a BY from here to here. Same thing here, that candle involve all these candles here. So that's a BY, like that. You can refine it below that SLQ, like that here. If you understand, okay. So for now, I explain everything I trade, and I will send you another link for now to explain how I trade, how I use that things, and for trading the plan. Okay.